Good morning, children. We are going to begin our class today with the new chapter, Finance and Accounts. In this chapter, we'll be doing about the new department of the accounts. Previously, we had spoken about the marketing and sales department, and in this, we are going to talk about finance and accounts department. What is the meaning and what are their objectives, right? Now, what is financial accounting? It is a specific branch of accounting involved in the process of recording, summarizing transactions. Okay, so each and every transaction, anything can be called a transaction first. How? If you can measure in terms of money, whatever things you are buying, whatever things you are selling, whatever things you purchase for the need of production, everything is recorded and it is summarized. And these transactions help in making the financial statement of the organization, to know the progress of the organization, to know the profit of the organization, to give a proper report to the investors so that they should know whether whatever they are investing is in the right place or not. This financial accounting results in the determination of net income at the bottom of the income statement. They give us the information about what are their assets, what are their liabilities, okay, and they help the future people, those who want to invest money, the main position of an organization, right? Then you have what are the objectives of accounting. First is recording, planning, decision making, and performance. This accounting helps in all these activities. So what do they do? Recording. The fundamental role of accounting is to maintain a systematic, complete, accurate and permanent records of all transactions of the business, which could be retrieved and reviewed whenever necessary. So whenever they want to check the accounts, whatever the amount has been spent, to know the cash position, to know the assets, everything can be achieved from these accounts department, the books which are being maintained. Planning. This accounts department, the books gives full information about the position of the organization, so a proper budget can be prepared so that the limited resources, cash, labor, machine can be utilized in the best possible way. Then decision. Accounts helps the managers to take all the business decisions and the policies and the organizational progress. How? Process more efficiently. How? By this accounts department, because they give full information about the company or the organization. Performance. Accountancy helps in determining how well a business is performing by summarizing the financial information into quantifiable measures. That is, what is the sales of the organization, what is the revenue, money they have incurred, what is the profit of the organization, what are the expenses, how much they are spending, what is the cost of production. This all information can be received in the performance accounts department. Now the next is position. Financial statement shows the financial position of the business. Financial position reflects the financial conditions of the business at that time and shows as to how much capital has been invested in the business and the best way funds is being utilized in the business. Then liquidity. Mismanagement of cash is often the reason of failure in a business. Like a proper, the liquid or the cash should keep on rotating. Okay, so, and it helps the organization to get away from the risk of bankruptcy, okay, because they keep updating with the information. Okay, then financing. Accounting information is necessary in securing finance, whether an organization applies for bank loan or an investment by a shareholder. It may be required to provide historic financial records, profit and loss for the past 5 years, as well as the financial projection. What are the forecasts of the scale for the next 3 years, isn't it? If I want to invest my money in a business, obviously my aim is to increase the money which I have invested, so I have to go through the previous financial records of the organization. So this gives a full record. The accounts department has the full record. Then control. One of the key objectives of an accounting system is to place sufficient internal control within organization for safeguarding of its valuable resources. Accounting ensures that risks are reduced to an acceptable level by placing various checks across the organization, because they have full data as to how much money is being spent, how much has been received, what is the sales performance, what is the profit of the organization. So these records are kept year after year, no? As because the accounting period is from 1st April, as I told you, to 31st March. So the whole detailed record is prepared, and on the 31st March, that is the year ending, a detailed information about the performance of the organization and the financial position can be deducted easily. Other expected question: what is financial accounting? Explain any 5